Hey, it's Clay. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol IRNC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, although I think it's been about a week since the last time I've done it. But regardless, after today's movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First point is as far as, and this is by no means some sort of like great discovery, anybody that understands charts, uses charts, has taken note of the same thing because it is a pretty big event in the world of charts. And that is on my chart right here, the 200 period moving average being denoted by that pink line. And the price is now broken down below it. And like I said, even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price does break down below it, not a good sign from the bulls part. And that's exactly what played out. The price broke down below it, and then the price just continued to bleed. So for the remainder of the day, essentially. But this is also where the first level of resistance comes into play, and that's just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of bounce, then the initial level that the price would need to fight back up above is going to be that pink line there, the 200 period, a simple moving average. Now, as far as what happened this afternoon, good solid movement here. Finally, good to see that the price went sideways. Now, does that mean that this is for sure the bottom? No, there's no such thing as a for sure in the market. However, you got to give credit where credit's due. There was a whole lot of bleeding that occurred. So nice to see that the price was able to finally start to go sideways. There we go. This is going to be a long week if it's only Monday, but yeah, good to see that it started to go sideways here. And in the event the price does start to bounce again, the 200 period is that next key level that you would want to watch. Now, as far as support levels are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact that the bleeding finally stopped right there at 0.014. So 0.014, very important level of support going into not only Tuesday, but really the remainder of the week, because again, that's just simply where the bleeding stopped today. If 0.014 does not hold up, the next key level would be that gap close location down there around 0.011. So 0.014 and then 0.011, next couple areas of support going into Tuesday. So the week is young, still 4 days left. Let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.